Yes. Oh,
my people, I understand.
I have a question.
I have a question, sir.
Please calm down now. Calm down. I understand the issue
Yes, sir.
that we are going through in this community.
Yes, sir.
I understand our plight, I understand everything, and I've come up with this one big solution.
Does the solution solve the problem of electricity, sir?
No. But let me assure you something.
Does it solve the problem of hunger, sir?
Who be this guy? Wetin concern me concern hunger? No, see.
Is that the I have a question.
Yes.
Is that the letter, sir? I have a question, sir.
I cannot pursue them. After all, I have this breed that can go. Okay, my people. Come.
Yes, sir.
Sir. I have a question, sir.
Okay.
Does it solve the issue of kidnappers?
Wetin concern me concern kidnapping?
Your Excellency, sir.
Sir.
Excellency. I have one question, sir.
Sir.
Your Excellency.
These people are not calming down.
Yes,
They are not calming down.
Sir.
I have one more question for you, sir. Does this particular solution solve the rate of unemployment in this country, sir?
Wetin concern me? What is my problem with them not being employed?
Sir.
Is that the letter?
Sir.
Is that the letter?
Them now wan enter me. Can't be.
Sorry, sir.
So I believe you are learned enough. I believe you have brain.
Sir.
Please don't interrupt me.
Sir.
Let's hear you.
Does it solve the issue of insecurity?
It no concern me. See, let everybody be secure.
Sir.
Listen. The solution I have. We need to change the orientation of our community anthem.
Community anthem?
Sir.
How can that help, sir?
In what way?
Don't you guys think we change it? That is it.
Can you recite the anthem for us?
Yes, sir. Can you help us to recite an anthem, sir?
Recite, sir.
Please handle this.
Okay,
Can you
sir.
help us to?